Welcome to High School Chemistry. This year you will be exploring the major theories and concepts in chemistry. I'm Katie Mann, your teacher. What is chemistry? Chemistry is a scientific discipline involved with compounds composed of atoms. Chemistry explores the composition, structure, properties, behavior, and changes atoms undergo during a reaction, and how compounds are formed. Chemistry occupies an intermediate position between physics and biology. It is sometimes called the central science because it provides a foundation for understanding both basic and applied scientific disciplines at a fundamental level. Examples include plant chemistry or botany, the formation of igneous rocks or geology, how atmospheric ozone is formed and how environmental pollutions are degraded, ecology, the properties of soil on the moon, astrophysics, how medications work, pharmacology, and how to collect DNA evidence at a crime scene or forensic. You will be investigating chemistry through listening to lectures, watching demonstrations and videos, reading your textbook and scientific papers and notes, and of course experimenting in the lab. We will explore various careers in chemistry. We will investigate problems related to personal and societal issues. This course will allow you to improve upon your problem-solving skills and connect your schoolwork with the real world. I've posted the syllabus to Google Classroom, so please take a look at it for more information on grades and rules. There will be extra credit assignments and an opportunity to retake tests. Tests make up the majority of your grade. The major outcomes or objectives of this course, you will be able to, by the end of the course, explain the structure of matter. Explain how changes in matter are accompanied by changes in energy. Describe the relationship between temperature, pressure, volume, and the amount of gas. Predict products of simple reactions and balance chemical equations. Identify signs that can indicate a chemical reaction has taken place. And apply the mole concept to stoichiometric calculations. Let's talk a little bit about safety. In order to be a member of this class, you and your guardian will be asked to read and sign a safety contract. This is a science classroom and you will be surrounded by expensive and or potentially dangerous materials on a daily basis. If these materials are not handled properly, you will be putting not only yourself but other classmates' safety at risk as well. Therefore, it's crucial that you understand and sign the document in order to participate in this class. Furthermore, it is required that you maintain a notebook specifically for chemistry. Bobby Knight is a basketball coach, and he said the will to succeed is important, but what's more important is the will to prepare. This is not a picture of Bobby White. This is a YouTube video that I'm putting up a link in Google Classrooms, and you can watch it and comment on your thoughts about the will to prepare. And this is someone's thoughts on what that quote means to them. So I would like to know your thoughts. So I'll quickly go over how you can prepare in chemistry. Read the chapter in the textbook before it is covered in the lecture. Come to class prepared every day. Be an active listener while solving problems. Put ideas into your own words. Do not wait too long to get help. I'm available to provide individualized assistance. Utilize study groups. Check the gradebook and syllabus regularly. Know what your grade is and why it is what it is. You are responsible to make up work and missed work, and get all that turned in a timely manner. Keep all your work. Hand out labs. You will often refer back to previous work. Plus, you can put these materials. You can use them to study for exams and the chemistry, the AP test if you choose to take that. Ask questions. Someone else is probably thinking the same thing. So again, Katie Mann, so glad you're here.